From the land of resilience and a nation ignited by a revolution.
I'm Tawhid Tasneem Tifa, your Miss Supranational Bangladesh. I'm a model and currently studying for my LLM. Coming from the lush and nature-abundant city Gazipur, and as the first from my country to represent at Miss Supranational, I'm determined to showcase the beauty and strength of Bangladesh at this incredible platform. Also, with great pride, I want to share the inspiring stories and heritage of my people.
From the joyous dances of our youth to the tireless efforts of our government workers, and from the pursuit of knowledge in our schools to the enduring strength of our farmers, each individual reflects the vibrant spirit and soul of Bangladesh, and I want to give them a voice to be heard. As I embrace the natural beauty and wildlife of Bangladesh, I also cherish the simple joys in life. Through my journey, I have dedicated myself to empowering women and representing the strength of my nation.
To the people of Bangladesh, I want to say, এটাই আমাদের সময়, আমাদের স্বপ্ন, আমাদের শক্তি। আমরা একসাথে অগ্রসর হব, আমরা বিজয়ী হব। This is our time, our dreams, our strength. Together, we will progress. Together, we will conquer.